Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add link to your Snapchat story. So here I'm going to start by opening the Snapchat apps on my phone. And then you can start by tagging a video or photo directly from the Snapchat camera, or just choose a video to upload. So in his case, I'm going to just tap on the shutter button to take a camera, and you can add a link by clicking on this clip icon or link icon at the right panel, sorry. And after that, you can just type any URL that you want or paste it just like this. This is my clipboard, and then you can just click on the clip icon. Okay, so this one's right here. You can click on the link, and after that you can click on attach to snap. So the link will be attached to the story just like this. And after that you can just tap on stories in here, click on add, and now it will sending, or it will upload it. This is my story with the link. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.